right now I don't even know what to say, but I know it is hard. Our extended family, it is very hard, but please, I'm asking. We can help Bianca Stewart so she can be able to go to school.
So what? I'm praying because I'm speechless. Well, hey sir. Wow. Tara and Suki.
Thank you, Tara and Suki, for this laptop.
Oh, don't cry.
A long time I really want to do work, and I see them pile up on me so many times we use the library and so to do them. But thank you for this laptop.
Okay, so for the new viewers, Bianca have osteogenesis imperfecta, otherwise known as brittle bone. So she easily break. So because she easily breaks, she cannot go to public schools because she uses a wheelchair and a walker.
It goes like this: the first to fifth, the minor chord, the major list, and now King composes hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Gonna stay close. So Amanda.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Any breaking news yet on my friend Bianca?
Well, they're still waiting on ministry. Them say last time I called down there, they said that they're waiting on the CEO to approve of it. So I'm still waiting.
Still waiting. And that was how long ago now?
I think I called him last week. I was trying to call him this morning, but no answer. So maybe they are too busy. So hopefully we get a news. If we get the news before this week finish, maybe we should have to just go in a plain clothes and till we get the uniform, or at least one.
Also, now we put uniform?
Not really, specifically. Alright, the school fee, as I was saying, it's very expensive, so we're waiting on ministry to approve of the school fee.
Yeah. Oh, but you said me and plain clothes.
Yeah, because we don't have the school fee as yet. So we don't have the school fee, and the school fee is 97,000 every 3 months.
Yeah,
every 3 months. So because of that now we have to wait for ministry to see what best they can come up with to help us.
Okay.
So in the meantime, we are just waiting and them to approve of it.
Okay. So, wow. This is ever need help on 97,000 every 3 months.
Every 3 months. That's the only school that would accept her with wheelchair access and walker access.
So they know that you're not working, right?
Yeah, they know that I'm not working, but that still don't have anything to do with it. You want a child to go to school, you have to put out your effort for her to go to school. So I got the ministry for help and then just need to approve of it first.
So, but the help we get is get her into school is one, but the school fee we get to be the help and
Yeah, that's true.
yeah,
I can't do nothing more than that. I don't want her to stay at home, so
Yeah.
have to try my best.
You're not supposed to pay $1, you know. I think true with that problem we should have. And you don't think
The
so.
school is Liberty Academic. Them have from basic school to high school. So if we can appreciate some help with the school fee, that would be good, but it's every 3 months that have to pay. So I don't know yet.
That is a heavy burden doing 97,000
I know,
every 3
but
months. You know.
I don't want her to stay at home. So I have to do what I have to do.
So how you not come up with the 97,000 then? Since we have to be realistic. We really have to be realistic because at the minute, you know, because with the help we always get from the extended family, you know, just imagine help without the extended family, like without them, the government really give us support, you know, for every 3 months. But you yourself that love for that 97 every 3 months.
Yep.
97,000 every 3 months, and then you're not working.
That's one.
Yeah, that's the main one. You know, you ain't working, and you have Brittany, same way. You have young Tremaine here, and you have another little one as well too. You know, so you explain all of this to them.
I do explain it, so I'm trying the best ability to see what they can do. So you have to just keep your fingers crossed.
Yeah, the fingers are crossed. You know, we are always praying. You know, but it's just this big obstacle with every 3 months, 97,000.
Well, the problem is the public school not taking her,
Yeah,
so we have to go to private school. So the private school coming is 100,000 or 100,000 every 3 months. Every private school is 3 month course. So either I work with 100,000 or I work with 97,000. So
and then they're not much far off either. They're not real far off.
yeah, because the bigger the grade gets, you get to more money. Because they will try to put her back into grade 5 so she can get to the body grade 4 and grade 5.
Yeah, because we really understand and they know we've been going through because they really want to get her in school, you know, and the whole point is to get her in school. But get her in school and that pressure at every burden, because if you can't pay for the second month or anything, you still come back down to you, see me, you know.
True.
You know, and even if the extended family cannot do so, you got either in debt and more stress again, you know, and if another 3 months pass you can't pay, what am I gonna say, you know?
She have to stay here do you can pay.
That's what I'm saying, because we have to find a better solution in some way. Them need to know what go on and know that it's really impossible for you to try to maintain that off of your own, or if you don't get some form of support. Because we know that you really want to get her in school, because I see you break down a lot of times because you want to get her there, you know?
Yeah.
And it reach a point where you're willing for, like, you know, you don't know where it's going to come from to find that.
We just a try.
To try.
You understand? We don't know where to come from yet. We don't know
You know, and
who we call upon or what we say, but we just say we just want her to go to school. And a matter of fact, the shadow is not in there yet.
and the shadow money.
The shadow money is not in there yet, and the driver money is not in there yet. So I don't even know what to tell you about Kino, but by grace of God, we see what we can do. I believe in God that He will pull through. He will touch some of the donors' heart to bless us. And in the meantime, I will keep praying and hopefully that God will help us through it.
We don't even say donors anymore, you know, I would say extended family. But, you know, them are really family. You know, because we've been trying to find a name for them. So right now we're going to say our extended family, you know, and as we said, things are tough right now. It's not only here, over there. You know,
I know.
As they can see, you know, because people watch and they know the condition and you can see what we, so they know the struggle already. You know, and the struggle is even rough upon them, see me.
Very much.
You know, so as we say, with faith and hope, you know, strong faith, because the love someone can bless that, you know, with every 3 months, which is for how long as well too, you know.
Yeah, for how long, because things is getting expensive and expensive.
That is it. So,
yeah, everything are raised up, so right now I don't even know what to say, but I know it is hard. Our extended family, it is very hard, but please, I'm asking, who can help Bianca Stewart so she can able to go to school.
So I'm praying, because I'm speechless, you know, because don't laugh. The reason why I'm speechless, because it's for continuing, you know, to find that money every 3 months, which is, we know the struggle now already.
All of that talking about money just give me chills.
Exactly, you know, and just for us find that literally, like, most people not even get at night, not even 50 grand a month, much less for pays. Then for us find 97 for every 3 months, you know.
What kind of school like you get dorm?
No, it's not that.
You must get dorm for all of them.
With children with disability, those are the schools.
They're special
They are
children.
special children, so I guess a special school fee.
No, a special school fee still not work, cause not even my one reach so far in a public school.
But I feel the government need to do better than that, because you know, in the overseas, I don't think they would shout at that. But I don't know. Is that they will?
No, that's
I don't really understand.
But
people
I guess maybe true is not overseas, it's out here.
and
Maybe
out here we already underneath the
we are
pressure already,
overseas.
knowing that.
School.
Liberty Academic.
What time?
Yeah.
No, I'm correct at that. We are governed.
So that is the struggle right now. And plus, as what you said, the shadow.
The shadow is not
It's
in
not
the
in
United
the
States, and the
too.
drive to bring her to school is not here. The shadow
Yeah.
have to pay. Alright, what's the problem is, I go and apply for a shadow for her. Government approve of the shadow. So when I look at the school fee and I cannot manage to pay the school fee, I ask them to cancel the shadow, because I can't get both of them. I can't get the shadow and the school fee at the same time. So if ministry willing to pay the school fee, or majority of the school fee
Own school as a private school.
is a thing, ministry and them
Merge.
I believe. So I was saying that I asked them if they could be able to help me with the school fee, and I would try my best to pay the shadow. So that's the reason why they need to ministry to approve of it. So them sending the application, waiting on them to approve of it. As soon as they approve of it, they know she can start go to school. I don't know how much they're going to pay, if they're going to pay all of it, or they're going to pay 50, I don't know how much percentage they're going to pay. But
What's the price for the shadow? You know that already?
no, I don't know the price of the shadow. With someone I was saying to me that I think it's about $30,000 a month for the shadow. So it's a week they would have paid
No man,
to be with her at school, moving up and down with her, bring her back and forth and stuff, and bring her home with the driver.
Professor school they have dorm.
You see that now? Because we're buying a 30 grand a month for the shadow, plus 90 already for 3 months. Plus the every 3 months.
That must have killed me already.
90
Because the driver is not in there as
And
yet,
plus
but we
the
have to get a driver to bring her to
So-
school.
And
So if the driver willing to get paid every week, which I say we can pay the driver every week, if that every month thing, we'll have to pay the driver every month. So it's all about,
How much you driver?
I don't know how much a driver going to charge to bring her to school and to come back. So it's very hectic to get a decent school, plus a shadow, and a reasonable driver.
that is because, alright, so for that now, you look on 200 and 1,000 every 3 months. You know? 200 and 1,000 every 3 months. You have to fine for the shadow, for your school fee, and the driver, taxi driver.
Oh, I lunch my own.
Oh, jeez.
This, and
Oh, God.
Mr. Brittany,
You're working.
Young Brittany feel it. So imagine we the older one.
I tell you.
So what about snacks when you do?
It's
She ain't get snacks at home, but lunch money. And lunch I must be big top lunch then.
No, by right, still
lunch.
things are going. We don't make a sandwich or whatever for your food wise. It should just bring that, so we don't have to worry about the shadow, the school fee, and the driver.
And then again, you know, let me jump to that part, yeah? Because you know we always get a lot of new viewers, right? So we got new viewers since the last time I've been up here.
Okay.
So they're probably wondering what we're talking about. So I'm gonna make it explain to them the situation we have here.
Okay.
Like what's her problem? So this is Bianca.
Bianca.
The heads up. So this is Bianca here.
Hi.
So this is Bianca. So Amanda, we're going to just explain to the new viewers then the extended family a situation with Bianca just in case.
Okay. So for the new viewers, Bianca have osteogenesis imperfecta, otherwise known as brittle bone. So she easily break. So because she easily break, she cannot go to public schools because she use a wheelchair and a walker. So I have a choice. Either I get someone at home to teach her because she missed out about 2 years or a year and something out of school because she have to in and out of the hospital because of the bones that break and she have to do surgery and stuff like that. So that's the reason why she missed out so much years out of school. So we try to get her into a private school where she can get better teachment, someone to sit down with her and to help
The situation.
the situation.
Okay. And
So
how old is she?
she's 12.
She's 12 and she
Yes.
born with the brittle bone.
Yeah,
right?
she born with it. It's a disease that she born with. They said that it do not have a cure, so we have to just do what we have to do. So the more she break, she gets shorter. So we have to just try our best to make sure the less breaking, so she can stay on a level.
Okay. So them say each time she break, she gets shorter.
Yes,
So what that means that the bone does dissolve after that break.
yes.
And it's sad that for her find the school fee, you know, because as women say, it's not the first. They've been trying to get her into school. You know,
Yes,
that's
but
one of the main thing.
The problem is the public school and do not have any wheelchair access. They don't have no walker access, and from them hear about brittle bone, they're not taking her.
Not taking.
So the only choice that I have is to send her to a private school and get someone to watch her.
Well, hopefully we can get some response from the government. You know?
Hopefully.
And I hope them can check your background and realize that you're not even working either, you know.
Yeah, in the first half when she's supposed to, when we were trying to send her to Pembroke, that's the reason why I applied for the shadow, so they would be able to pay me the money. When we reached the state that ministry want her to repeat grade 5 because she did not do the grade 4 nor the grade 5 PEP or test. So because of that, they call me to come to ministry for them to do some examining to see if there is anything wrong with her brain. They realize that her brain is okay, it's just physically. It's not mentally. So because of that, you have to go to a regular school, private school instead of public school. So that's the reason why she's going to school.
That took a lot of breath.
Yeah, it takes a lot. You know, long hours of break. It's not even for a joke. A long time I work with it. You know, like, well, this is a situation I don't even know what to say.
Never know what to do, bro.
You know, I don't know what to say. Financially, you have to explain to me, so you need support. Mentally, you say you've been through it already, and I've seen it. You know, physically, you're all up strong, but financially, you're gonna need that we can make she happy, you happy.
And we're not billionaire or trillionaire in the face.
You know, and as we say, and as we know, say it's rough overseas, see you so.
Very tough over there, man. It's
So
very
far-
much rough over there.
So far, if anyone can come up with any form of solution, you know, like anywhere around it, you know, we can try to avoid this big lump sum of money where we know and say, you know, you still have to go find food to eat, same way.
True.
You know, so we have to think about our way and hopefully Father God can shine the light on our way where it can happen. You know, we're praying. Cause Bianca, we know she need it, you know. And as you as a mother have been trying.
Very much.
Right? And we can see the weight we rather put on your shoulder just to get her in school, you know. That's a heavy weight, you know. You know, that's a heavy weight for someone that's financially in a support. Right? It does heavy, so heavy, like I think the weights will leave 200 pounds and 300 pounds, not heavy so.
It's more than
Yeah, I tell you, a tons you carry on your shoulder.
I know Kino, but I need her to go to school. So
And the extended family out there, at least, you know, want someone to contact me, find some solution or we can try, like, you know, to avoid that amount. You know, because whenever that you can get the amount that we can put towards something and she's still going to some form of schooling.
yeah.
You know, at least that can help your situation in many ways. Because you need help in ways, right?
Yes.
So, we are going to pray and it's going to take a lot of strong prayers. You know, and that super strong. But when I get to that, you know, grow yourself. Bianca. Amanda, so we'll come to Brittany Houston. When I talk about Whitney Houston, I'm talking to Brittany Houston, you know? And Brittany. Tell them your age again, Brittany.
I am 16 years old
16.
and I go to Permucal High School. I'm in 11th grade now.
Okay. So you're looking to go college after, what you doing after? After I graduate?
Yes, I want to go to college and look at work too, so
Yeah. So see?
it's gonna be challenging.
Definitely challenging. Because you see, mommy, one is leaving school soon now. So I'm more challenged again. I'm more challenged, but and she have the talent as well. So with the talent, you know, the last time you asked for something, I know I don't remember if you quite remember. But last time you did ask for something, so you brought something for you. So you have to check and see what's inside of it. Because you never check to see.
Okay.
Yeah, so I have something here for you from Tara and Suki from Canada. Take that for me, yes. Let's turn it, just take it out of the box. So you can grab it to the box, so you can grab the box. You look like a camera up on it, but you're not video lady.
Boy, I
So-
feel weighty.
So that is from Tara and Suki from Canada. You know if you want to open it? You must want to see what's inside of it.
Yes, I do, and I want to tell them that. So, how is it?
Yes, you can.
Your muscular. You say every
Cut them.
For me, they look like a laptop, isn't it?
Mommy. Mommy. Don't ruin the surprise for them. Another box.
Another box.
Wait.
Box from box.
It's a laptop. It's a laptop.
No, my fingernail can work.
Box from box. I think there was
It's not
another box
working.
in.
You think so?
Another box inside. It's well secure for the artist, you know. I'm not one singing mic in there. One voice recorder. I put on voice
Anything in
recorder.
that, thank God for it.
It's a voice recorder.
Think so?
I think so.
Yeah, we should get on voice herself.
Yeah, already. Okay.
This looks like
Like
a voice recorder.
a laptop.
Mm.
Wow.
It's a
laptop.
It's a laptop.
He's a best record.
Oh.
So nice. Oh, even a webcam.
That camera?
Yeah, so whoa, whoa.
Yes, it there. Hold this, please. Instructions. Let me go and read the instructions.
Wait, wrong way. Display.
That's a display mode.
Brittany, you can put a SIM card mode.
Well. Hey, sir. Wow. Tara and Suki.
Thank you, Tara and Suki, for this laptop.
Oh, don't cry.
Cry. A long time I really want to do work, and I see them pile up on me so many time and we use the library and so to do them. But thank you for this laptop, and I hope God bless you. Like, really. Enough time mother said she won't buy one for me and she just never have the money, because as you can see with me, and I'm not really worried because you know say one of them the year maybe get one and finally get one. Thank you.
Thank you. Give her a clap, man. Sure. Give her a clap, man. We can clap for her. So touching, you see? And it's been a long while. And that's with Faith. You know, Brittany. Brittany Houston. Well, the good Faith.
You're supposed to have something for Suki and
Tara and Suki. Oh, what you say about me?
yeah, you're supposed to have something for Tara and Suki. Thank you, Tara and Suki, for the laptop. My daughter really appreciate it. May God continue bless you.
Yes,
And keep you.
definitely.
Provide for you.
Tears of joy, right, Brittany?
Yes, it is. Tears of joy.
You saw the tears of joy.
I really did have something planned, but never know who I have plans to work for.
Alright, so when I got hear the beauty voice, hold on, them one, hear no sound. Which one is? Alright,
Okay.
This is for Tara and Suki, right?
Yes.
This is for
And
Tara
for extended family
and
out there
the
too.
extended family.
Yes. I heard there was a secret chord that David plays and it pleased the Lord. You don't really care about music, do ya? It goes like this: the first, the fifth, the minor chord, the major list. And now come King composes hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Started from
Emotions.
okay, it just it a come.
It's coming. And that's one of my favorite songs, you know. Hallelujah. It's touched me, you know. Look at goosebumps. Whoa. Bumps. That is touching. It's touching.
There was a secret chord that David plays and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care about music, do ya? That goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor chord, the major list, and half a king could blow this hallelujah. 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 Hallelujah.
Jan on the voice. That voice.
Uncle Kino, camera alright?
Yeah, the way you must have to ask, because them vocals that we have fly through, you have to wonder if a stone a fling.
Camera crack or anything?
No.
Good.
Powerful voice, you know. Powerful. And it's really touching, you make me want to cry behind the camera with them voice there. Them vocals.
Don't cry.
Now hold it strong, you mad can't
hold
make me
it
cry. Hold it. Shall hold it. Blessings to Tara and Suki.
Thank you
You
again.
know, it's really a blessings, you know. They're our extended family. We thank you so much. You know, I should say she's been waiting for the longest while for a laptop. You know, mommy could afford it, you know, and daddy could afford it. So we give thanks to the extended family who could make it possible. You know, Tara and Suki, you know yourself, you know.
Yes.
And Tara and Suki, them really have plans for you for the future as well, you know.
Okay.
The beautiful voice, yeah, it's gonna happen. So let's go on with the faith same way.
Okay.
You know, Father God have everything in control. So don't feel like saying not everything planned out already.
Well, since as we never finish singing off the song we sing first, one just put on a little ending
Alright then.
from the start video and wrap it up.
Alright, wow, this is so like my Britney Spears. Alright, Brittany Houston.
Okay.
I like that.
There is no in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever.
Jeez.
I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me in. Go easy on me, baby.
Sure.
I'm still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I have no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me.
Jeez, and that's how you end the
Yes.
show. We give thanks to all the extended family. Dream team
One team.
is the only real team. So we'll
Okay.
keep on today, right?
Yes.
That is it. That is it.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better